Hi, Suzy Valentin, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Today we're in Loma Linda, California looking at this fabulous Lennar home. It's a next generation. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 and 1/2 bathroom house with a 3-car garage. It has an attached casita with a separate entrance, which is called Next Gen. It's like a home within a home. Today we are in the community Citrus Trails, which is in Loma Linda, California. We will be viewing the Valencia Residence 4 model, which is a 2-story home by Lennar Homes, showcased with optional builder upgrades. The open floor plan home measures approximately 4,122 square feet. This spacious living room is also known as the Great Room, and it has an elegant fireplace, windows with views to the backyard, a lighting fixture, and recessed lights. The dining room has a sliding glass door to the backyard. It would be perfect for entertaining your guests for barbecues and parties. Couldn't you just imagine sitting there right now and enjoying our fabulous Southern California weather? The large kitchen is centrally located and has gorgeous countertops, modern backsplash, and beautiful cabinets. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances such as a cooktop stove, dishwasher, double oven, and a microwave. The center island has a single basin sink and a breakfast bar, which is perfect when you're in a rush and just want a quick bite to eat. The powder room has a window, toilet, and a pedestal sink. This side of the model home has direct access to the 2-car garage, perfect when you come back from a shopping trip and your hands are full. The walk-in pantry has lots of shelving and is tucked away in the corner. This home also includes heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the upstairs. This home has a large loft with a lighting fixture and lots of windows that really bring the light in. If you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. The first bedroom is featured with carpet, a lighting fixture, windows, and a closet. The second bedroom has a window, a closet, and is carpeted. The third bedroom is carpeted, has a window, and a closet. Down the hall, you will find a guest bathroom like no other you've ever seen. It has dual sinks and 2 private water closets. The first one has a toilet and a shower. The second one has a toilet and a shower in the bathtub. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please leave it in the comments below. This spacious upstairs laundry room is centrally located and is featured with cabinets, shelves, and washer-dryer hookups. The master bedroom suite is stunning. The added chandelier is dramatic and adds a formal touch. The master bedroom has a relaxing retreat. It would be a cozy spot to watch late-night TV or to get up to date with the morning news. The attached master bathroom is quite large and striking. It has dual sinks, a vanity, a soaking tub, and a shower. The large walk-in master closet has storage shelves, single and double pulls with plenty of room for both summer and winter clothes. It also has a private water closet. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please leave it in the comments below. This home also includes green features, such as dual glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient Low-E glass, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. Now let's view the attached Casita, which will have a door instead of glass when you move in. I want to show you how large and private it is, so come along as we view it from the outside first. The multi-generational suite has its own separate entrance for more privacy. It is featured with a kitchenette, cabinets, a sink, and a microwave. It also has direct access to the one-car garage. The living room area has recessed lighting and a window view to the front yard. The next-gen suite features a downstairs 5th bedroom with a sliding glass door to the backyard. It also has a nice-sized walk-in closet. You will also find a retreat, or the builder said you can make it an optional 6th bedroom. The guest bathroom has dual sinks and a private water closet. There is also a laundry room with shelves. The next-gen portion of the home is perfect to come and go as you please, and have some privacy and independence too. Wasn't that home lovely? What did you think? Please comment below. And if you're interested in purchasing a home in Loma Linda, California or surrounding areas, please give me a call, Suzy Valentin, 951-907-4020. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like these two as well. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video. This gorgeous new home is truly an entertainer's delight. Let's make this house your home.